So, welcome everybody. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the video as well. First part of this video, I wanted to go over a few new DeFi progress and projects that I have actually been waiting for a long time. Now, everybody knows that DeFi has been making big waves over on the Ethereum platform. It's also what caused the big surge in price in Ethereum. People have been going completely crazy with the yield farming and the Wi-Fi and the yams and all that good stuff. But in my opinion, Ethereum um, was not the best platform for that because of the fees being so high on gas and stuff. So yeah, of course, if you're in it for the long term, then yeah, it doesn't matter. You just pay the fee, you place your cryptos. For those who don't know what DeFi is, just look it up. It's basically a way of decentralizing finance where liquidity pools are being used in order to allow seamless transactions between different blockchains. So you would be able to exchange from one blockchain to the other without having to go through exchanges. There's also platforms and apps, dApps, that are built to use leverage to allow lending, borrowing. There's so many things growing within the DeFi space. But like I said, being on Ethereum and having such high transaction fees, especially once people start using it more, transaction fees are going up and through the roof. This actually created some sort of I don't know, more friction in my opinion. You could just as easily go to an exchange, pay for the trading fee, and you'd be off cheaper. This is not what DeFi was meant to achieve. DeFi was meant to actually take control out of the hands of the exchanges and put it back into the hands of the users, which incorporates us. And this is also where all those larger gains come from. Just imagine how much exchanges are making on all these transaction fees daily. There's millions, literally millions being traded a day. So yeah, just do the math. Like 0.01% already averages you on a day more than most people are making in a year. So yeah, big money. And just giving all this back to the community, this is what gets me so excited. Now, what am I talking about? Which is the great news that I was talking about? Actually, it's I've been waiting for so long for DeFi to be popping over to Ethereum and to EOS, and this is actually what's been happening. So if you go to eosx.io, you will find a whole lot of DeFi projects that are actually being launched and running on EOS. Now, EOS is, in my opinion, the stronger platform. They had some troubles with governance. I hope they will find a way to mitigate all these and to get it running properly. But just knowing that DeFi projects are being built on EOS is great news for me. So there is a VC present on EOS, a venture company that is rating all of the projects, and you can see that there are a few projects that have been audited already, and those are actually already very, very interesting to me. The one that I, for now, am looking at the closest is Dolphin Swap, just because it offers swapping of coins and also staking liquidity pools. It also offers some staking mining, which is very interested. If you want to swap over to Dolphin Swap, it's a very neat looking interface. You can log in with Scatter, which is just one of the regular use cases, the way you interact with the blockchain on EOS. There are a few interesting tokens. Some are for now just small tokens. It's a little bit like the way DeFi has started on Ethereum, but already there's a EOS USDT liquidity pool, and the Dolphin token also available on the liquidity pool. Key token is present. Let's see if we find some other. Everpedia is also a dApp like Wikipedia, but running on EOS, which has also been it exists for quite some time. So yeah, all in all, very, very happy that that this is actually getting started. Now, let's have a look. When we look at the farm, there are already some liquidity pools that do offer really, really high returns, like the Dolphin over EOS liquidity pool. Keep in mind you have to stake 20% Dolphin, 80% Dolphin, 20% EOS. But when we look at the returns, this is where DeFi on Ethereum has been attracting so many people. The annual percentage yield is through the roof, like close to 300%, making 3x of what you deposit on a year is very, very impressive. We also have there are a few inactive, of course. Just look around, have a look. There's staking for Dolphin coin right now that also gives a big return. Very, very interesting stuff. Now, yeah, I'm going to have a look and see if we have a few more people joining the chat. And no, if not, then, I will pause the record. I will restart the record for the next part of our video. And this is Bitcoin chart updates. Yeah, awesome. Well,